Hey guys, it's Bree Halo here, and this is my demonic Japanese demon makeup tutorial. All the products used today will be listed throughout the video. Music used will be listed at the end of the video. Please remember to like this video, give it a demonic thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on other social media that I may or may not have, share with friends, family, etc. And as always, leave any comments or requests in that little comments box below and hit that bell so you're always notified when I upload new makeup tutorials. I was actually going to do a Kylie Ren makeup tutorial with all the scar and whatnot, but my rigid collodion kind of set, don't know why it did. It's been sealed up since I used it twice. It's been sealed up since, but it just all congealed and now it's not useful. I wanted to do something because I had such a big blank space and I was like, well, I want to do something and I just couldn't make up my mind what I wanted to do. So then I just did this little demon eye sort of crawling out, so it doesn't really make sense. I guess, like, you know, I'm wearing a demon mask, but I'm having like a demon claw out of me, but I don't know, that's just what I felt like doing today, I suppose. I just haven't painted in quite a long time, and so I just really wanted to do something crazy and out there that I haven't done before, and also do an original character since I haven't done one of those in forever either.
For this one I decided to do a half mask, so I've just outlined across the bridge of the nose, under the eyes, around the sides of the face, although that's not really necessary, and then any other areas such as the nostrils, since I wanted to make those bigger and more pronounced, and also the entirety of the mouth. And then taking a red body paint, what you're going to do is fill in the rest of the mask, leaving that mouth section open. You can really take whatever colour you want, unless you're following this tutorial to a T, then you might want to do the red. I thought the red looked quite demonic and creepy, so I chose to go with that. And then you're just going to fill in everywhere except for the mouth, really, and all other areas that you're leaving open. And taking a deep mellow, I've just added the tiniest bit of deep mellow to the red body paint, and I started to create the shadows, such as around the nostrils, or the bigger nostrils, not my own, just under the eyes, the cheeks to make them pop out a little bit more, the edges of the mouth, not right on the edge of the mouth, but like a little bit further, so it kind of creates a lip sort of shape, a little butt chin that I wanted to do, and then around the bottom of the lip. And as you go, you can add a little bit more of deep mellow and then just blend them out. So every layer that you do, you're just blending it out into the skin to make it more of a softer gradient. Just creating some little bags under the eyes as well. Again, not really necessary, but helps define the shape of the nose and makes it look a lot wider. And then taking a white body paint, I've just started to kind of outline the basic shapes of what the teeth will be, knowing that later on I can just shape them up with black body paint. For the bottom row of teeth, the masks that I saw, you could see most prominently the bottom, like right at the front, bottom row, and then dragging that all the way up towards the rosy cheeks. Then taking a black body paint and a very fine detail brush, I'm just outlining all of my teeth. Again, you can see that I didn't go quite as far down with those canines. And then adding a couple extra little teeth on the ends as well, just to make it look a little more realistic, I suppose. Then using that same black, I'm just outlining right along the edge of the mouth to the teeth so that there is a bit of separation. Now with those back teeth, they can be a little bit tricky, but I tried to make them not as stand-up-ish. I guess I could have added some lines to create, like, you know, you're looking kind of top-down sort of view, I guess it would be on the molars, but I liked how mine were looking. I did end up filling in the mouth with a dark brown, but I didn't like how that was looking, and so I did end up going back over it all with a black. Then I took a bit of grey and brown eyeshadows, just mixed them together on my brush and blended in the outermost teeth. Then taking my concealer, I've just covered my eye bag since it was about 4 o'clock in the morning when I decided to film this one. Then I just went over the top of that with the foundation. Then taking a deep terracotta sort of colour, just blended that messily into my eye, so it's just over the crease, the outer corner, and really harshly in the inner corners. And then you're just dragging that up a little bit in the inner corners just to make a little furrow in the brow. And then I've taken a darker brown colour and kind of just blended that all over the lid and just up into the crease a little bit, just trying to darken those colours. Going back to that terracotta colour, I've just shaded in the sides of my forehead. And then for the kimono sort of thing, like most of the body portion you can't actually see on camera. I didn't realise I wasn't far enough down, but I didn't like it how it turned out. So I did try and start off with like a sort of off the shoulder kimono sort of look with the purple, and I went over the top with the darker purple, trying to create some shadows. Went in way too dark, so I've just blended that over the top with another lighter colour. Then for the kimono itself, I've done a darker blue, and I did actually go in with a white, like shimmery eyeshadow and made little skull patterns in the blue part of the kimono, but again, my camera was way too high up to actually capture any of that, so it's kind of disappointing because that was my favourite part. But moving on, these little red claws, I guess, ripping out of my chest and some little rip lines and whatnot.